When you receive your certificate for attending a workshop or a seminar sponsored by Notice or a different organization, you need to first save it to your computer as a PDF file. In order to receive a continued education credit for it, you should upload the certificate to the DSHS Gateway System, language testing and certification platform. This is where your certification, continued education credits, and renewals are tracked. Chances are, if you are trying to upload a certificate, you have already registered on Gateway. But if you have not, please go to the Secure Access website for the Washington State and follow the prompts to set up an account. Once you log into your account and go to Language Testing and Certification Gateway, here you will see all your details. Even if you're already a DSHS certified interpreter or translator, the system still calls you a candidate. If you need to update any of your details, be sure to click the green Save button. Next, you click Renewals tab in the bar located below your name. You will see a list of activities you have already taken and registered, if any. Click on Add CE Activity, the green button in the upper right corner. Now you need to search for your activity. You can use approval number, activity type, in person or online, activity category, or location venue. We're going to put in Notice and click the green search button. This brings up a list of all activities sponsored by Notice. Once you locate the activity you have attended, click the green plus sign in the Actions column on the right. A window appears with the details of that activity. If it is the right one, click Save. Activity has been successfully requested. Now you need to repeat the previous steps. Click your name again. Click Renewals. You will see the selected activity on the top of your activities list. Click the Upload button on the right to add the certificate. Now, browse your computer to find the certificate. Please note that the certificate has to be in PDF format. The system will not accept other formats. Now we need to enter the description of our certificate. Click Save. You will now see the status changed to pending. Your certificate will be reviewed, and in about 24 hours, you will receive notification via email that your activity and your certificate will be approved. Thank you for watching, and good luck.